9/20/24. So to pull the car dolly, we're going to need a hitch. It's going to be a 2-inch ball. That's like 1 7/8, 2-inch and a quarter, I think. And then all the 2-inch balls are roughly around here. The pins are there. And then we're going to need a box that holds all the straps. And that box looks something like this metal can. Oh, that metal can up there. That one right there, the black one. Inside is all the straps. Then, to use the car dolly, you should bring a portable tire inflator, because when you tow it without a car, you can probably bring it down to like 15 psi maybe. Then with the car, pump it up to like 40, I would say, because this thing hops on the freeway a lot. And so if you have it really bouncy, it'll be hopping, and then it's hard to go past 55 miles an hour. And then once the car comes, you pull this pin out, both sides, the ramp will drop, the car will come on, and then you pull this pin out and put the straps in, click it back, and the straps, they click onto here. And then you'll be click, click, click this side. Now another thing you could do is you could get a winch where there's a ball here, and then there's another female here, so you can put a winch right in there. So it's going to be like this, and then straight into your car. So to do that, make sure you take off the wheel covers. To get that part, where is that part sitting? So winches, since your car is dead, you're going to need that. Oh, and then when you are ready to take off, you just put a piece of wood underneath the back tires and you drive the car off to get the car off the thing. And it's very difficult to back up a car with a car dolly. Very difficult. I wouldn't even do it. And so this is one of the things that you can do. I think you can put positive and negative directly into here and reverse it, because I lost the remote to it. And then when I found the remote, I burned off the mechanism in here. So you can use this to pull the car in and just add battery power. So bring a battery pack, and then you can use this thing right there. So this will go into there, into the top, and the bottom would be your ball. And make sure you bring some pins along, then you're all set. If you did want a manual winch, the manual winch, I believe, is inside one of these boxes, cranking version. All right, good luck.